Socialism is a system where people live equally. All people are important. Every person has the same rights. In socialism, people share and work together. People live together in peace. The government helps people every day. In socialism, the government makes many services for the people. The government builds schools so that children can learn. The government builds hospitals so that people can get healthy. The government also builds parks, libraries, and community centers. These places are for everyone. All people can use these services for free. This helps everyone have a good life. Socialism started a long time ago. It began in the 19th century. At that time, many people did not have a good life. They wanted to be equal. They wanted fairness and justice. Many people worked together for a better society. This idea grew and became known as socialism. Today, some countries use socialism. In these countries, the government and the people work as one team. The basic ideas of socialism are equality, justice, sharing, and solidarity. Equality means that all people are the same. Justice means that life is fair. Sharing means that everyone gets a part of what is made. Solidarity means that people help each other. In socialism, every person's opinion is listened to. People talk about their problems. They make decisions together. Every voice is important. This system is fair and kind. In the economic system of socialism, the means of production belong to everyone. This means that factories, farms, shops, and businesses are owned by the community. People work in these places. The work is done together by many people. The products made in factories and farms are shared equally among all. Everyone gets the same share of goods. This way, there is no big difference between rich and poor. The government helps to organize work and the sharing of goods. The economy works for the needs of the people. In social life, families, friends, and neighbors help each other. People live in close communities. They share meals and celebrate festivals together. People play in parks and talk with each other. They listen to one another and care about each other. This way of life is full of love and respect. In a socialist society, everyone feels important. People work together to make life better. Education is very important in socialism. In a socialist society, schools are free for all children. Every child can go to school. In school, students learn simple subjects like reading, writing, and math. Teachers help the students and explain things in a clear way. Children also learn about the world and about being good citizens. Education helps the community to be strong and smart. Health is also very important in socialism. Health services are free for everyone. Hospitals are open to all people. Doctors and nurses work hard to treat sick people. If someone is ill, they can go to the hospital and get help. This system makes sure that no one is left without care. With good health services, everyone can live a healthy life. The government has a very important role in socialism. The government listens to the people. The government makes decisions that help everyone. In socialism, the government builds many services like schools, hospitals, parks, and libraries. The government organizes work and makes sure that all people are treated equally. The people can vote and share their opinions. This way, the government and the people work together to solve problems. Socialism has many good points. People live with equality. Everyone gets the same chance to learn and be healthy. People work together and share what they produce. There is no large gap between rich and poor. The community has fairness and peace. People help each other and show solidarity. This system creates a calm and friendly society. Some people do not like socialism. Some people want more personal freedom. Sometimes making decisions together can be slow. People may have different ideas. These different ideas can cause long talks and discussions. However, in socialism, people try to solve problems together. Even if there are difficulties, the community works as a team to fix them. Today, some countries still use socialism. In these countries, the government helps people and all rights are equal. The means of production belong to the community. Education and health are free for everyone. People live together in peace. Socialism is one way to look for justice and equality in society. In conclusion, socialism is a system that gives all people the same rights. Socialism asks for equality, justice, and solidarity. People live together and help each other every day. The government works hard to meet the needs of all people. In socialism, everyone receives the same services. Schools, hospitals, parks, libraries, and community centers are for every person. Factories, farms, and shops belong to everyone in the community. The products made are shared equally. This way, there is no big gap between rich and poor. There is peace and calm in society. People make decisions together and every voice is heard. Socialism teaches us that every person is valuable. Every person's opinion is listened to. Everyone is accepted as important. People help each other in daily life. The government makes life easier for everyone. This system gives all people a fair chance to live a good life. People feel safe in their communities. They learn to share and care for one another. With socialism, the future can be bright and peaceful. Everyone has a chance for a better life. Socialism gives us hope for a just, calm, and happy future.